Hi, I'm Bubba. Welcome to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cake character. Grab a piece of paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start with our big shapes. We're going to do a circle-like shape, but we're going to give it some squiggles like this, because our cake's going to have some frosting. Next, we're going to do another squiggle on the inside like this. And then another squiggle on the outside like this. And there we have the top of our cake. Next, we're going to come down on the side and again keep going with the squiggles. We don't want a perfectly straight line, kind of squiggly. Perfect, just like that. And then we're going to do some squiggles on the bottom. And then as we come around the side, we don't want to just do a shape right here on the side. We want to come back a little bit to make it look like the frosting went all the way around the cake. And then squiggle around, keep going all the way around the cake. Perfect. And there we have our cake shape. Next, we're going to add some cute little eyes. A big eye right there. A big eye right there. And let's make this a cute girl cake. Let's give her a little bit, some eyelashes on the side like that. And then fill in the eyes, the pupils. Perfect. Let's give her a little mouth and a smile. And then 2 round cheeks. Awesome. Okay, I think that she needs a few decorations on top. Let's give her some frosting. Some frosting there. Some frosting there. And then when we get to this side, let's do one more here. We're gonna do a frosting bow. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, I think she needs some arms now. Let's give her some little arms on the side. And a little leg. Okay, this next leg, I'm gonna go really slow. It's not gonna be quite the same as this one. We're gonna come down and curve the line. And we're gonna do another line here and stop. Come behind it just a little bit and come back around to end that line. Sometimes I like to add little shadows on the legs. Right there. And let's give her some eyebrows. And a couple little details around the cake for texture. Like that. Perfect. Maybe a couple little freckles. Perfect. And there, we have a cute little cake character. Yeah. Good job. You did a really good job following along with me. Come back again and we'll draw again soon. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye.